How many miles does a flight cost? The quickest and easiest way to determine how many miles your flight will likely cost is to use a website called Award Hacker. Award Hacker is a website that allows you to view typical award redemption amounts for every major airline between any two destinations in the world. This makes it easy to know where to look when it comes to searching for award tickets. Note that the results are not real-time prices. Award Hacker only shows you what you can expect to pay based on airline award charts. Here's a quick sample search for flights from Columbus, Ohio to Paris, France to show you what I mean. Let me emphasize again that Award Hacker does not show you real-time prices for award flights. One more time, because this is a common sticking point. Award Hacker does not show you real-time bookable results for award flights. The best way to use Award Hacker is as a guide to tell you where to look. Then use your findings to run searches on the specific airline websites to see the actual price in miles. Award Hacker will tell you where to look, but you still have to do the actual looking part yourself. You cannot actually book your award flight on Award Hacker. The other method to determine the cost of an award flight is to look at the award chart of the airline that you wish to fly on. To show you how this works, let's take a look at the American Airlines One World Award Chart for flights originating in the contiguous 48 states. Looking at this chart, you can see that standard round-trip economy class flights on American Airlines have the following mileage costs. Round trip within the US, 25,000 miles. Round trip to Europe or South America, 60,000 miles. Round trip to Asia, 70,000 to 75,000 miles. One important thing to note is that all award tickets are subject to availability. The prices that you see on the chart are not guaranteed to be available on every American Airlines flight. Sometimes you'll run an award search and find that there are no seats available, or that the price has gone up in miles due to high demand. So don't expect to open your laptop on Thanksgiving and book a flight to Hawaii for Christmas for just 45,000 American Airlines miles round trip. The best way to beat this is to book your trips as early as possible. Most airline schedules open for booking 11 months in advance, so try to book them then if you can. Otherwise, just keep checking back as often as you can to see if prices fall to a level that you can afford.